What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
My PlayStation was overheating every 3 minutes, and I brought it to one place, and they messed it up, so I brought it here, and I want to see if you can fix it.
Don't worry. I got you.
Oh, that scared me. Where'd you go?
You have to call him. We're gonna replace this.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. No, I just wanted it. That's it. Do you think maybe we should go somewhere else or just like over and over? I'll take you. All right.
Alright, play a little bit something for me, and then let's see if it's gonna work.
How long have you been here for?
12 years.
So he's been saying, I've been following this guy, and I'm like, yeah, just like, because he's a kid. And then finally I take it to the place, and then it works, and then I'm like, your game's not working. He's like, go to the guy. I'm like, you don't know what you're talking about. And then he's like, he's all over TikTok. So I go on TikTok, and I'm like, these people are just all over TikTok. I'm not going to search for this person. So I told my friend, and she goes, oh, that's down the street from me. I'm like, so you knew someone the whole time? She said she brings her daughter's phone in here, but she didn't know you fix games, so she never thought like.
Yeah.
I'm like, great. Now we could have just been done. This has been before Christmas,
They could have did this the first place.
right?
Right? Well, now you know. It's okay. Never too late.
Now if it happens again, right here.
Yes, you already know.
He
See?
literally better not even dare mess this game up. Well, hurry up and play a game. We have to go back to Stanford. No, she haven't responded. We're going home. It's supposed to snow soon.
Again? How many?
A lot, actually.
Like it's the North Pole. The North Pole snows a lot.
From everyone here at 2K, thanks for joining us. We've got
Good,
a
pal.
Wednesday afternoon edition of the NBA for you. Moments away, it'll be Baltimore going up against Houston. Brian Anderson here, joined by the Hall of Famer Grant Hill and Coach Stan Van Gundy. We'll hear from Allie LaForce as well. And Houston has possession. Pass to Spence. And he cuts it down. How about Bronny dropping a dime? James with a steal. Pulls it. It's rebounded by McHale. Here's Nowitzki. Here's Billups. And they recover it. Edwards. And Edwards slams it in. James outside. Goes up from the top of the key. There's James on the wing. Launches it. He drains out.
What's your issue?
And this is crucial for James develops. His ability to be consistent. Let's go for the three. James in the wing. James can't get down.
Is that your team?
I'm losing 3 to 5
And a half of basketball play here in this one. Here's Nowitzki.
Can you go to the corner, bro?
Pass to Billups. This one for three. And it slips on the rebound. James outside. Inside. And Baltimore with the rebound. And Stan, while Edwards has pushed back, it hasn't worked well. It's fair again. To Cazares, Michael Jordan.
And that talk is more about how his game reminds one of MJ.
Why didn't we come here to get my MacBook fixed?
Don't mess with me.
Wait, let's do your MacBook out.
No.
Why would I throw my MacBook away?
You guys fix computers too? You just thought about that right now. We live in Sanford.
Because you should have said that before
You know where we
we
were
even
going.
left.
Exactly.
Yeah, but you think I remembered about the MacBook? It's been sitting in the box.
You should have said, oh, let's bring it just in case. Why you think
She's
about
very,
it?
yeah, she is. She here, the teacher.
You're not the teacher.
What?
Five minutes later.
Looks good? Looks good?
Yeah.
Okay. Your PlayStation is ready, sir. Now it's
Thank you.
good to go. You're welcome.
Thank you for fixing my PlayStation. I hope not to see you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.